May cleavage pala ako, guys. Okay.
Good morning, Philippines!
Doctor appointment si Tami. Pero virtual sila. Video call. I don't know kung mabubuhay ba to. Frozen. Nilagay ko dito. Let's see kung mabubuhay ba yan. Virtual doctor appointment. So, tignan natin kung anong resulta sa MRI niya.
Since this is a telemedicine visit, I have to make sure you are in New York.
I am.
Okay. Have there been any changes since the last time I saw you?
Not really.
The back still hurts the same as it was before, though the...
Hi guys! We're in another town. We are going to no, I'm not saying thing, but we're going to find a Home Depot to buy that tea thing. If they have it, I will show it to you. So I'm wearing this mask kasi nanigarilyo si Tamimoy. And yun. So, yun. There's a horsey area. Yeah. And yan.
Prepare to exit the highway in 2 miles at exit 4W.
We eat some seafood salad. After ko ako naligo, kumain ako ng seafood salad. Sumakit yung dito ko. Kung sa Bisaya pa, I think panuhot yun. Hindi ko na sinabi sa kanya kasi hindi yun maniwala. So, panuhot. Sumakit, kasukahon ko. Like, kasukaon ko. So, palagi ko siyang ginanito. Oh. So, ngayon, nawawala naman. Kaya nag-vlog ako kasi okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. And si Tami is having a bad allergy. Nahirapan siyang huminga kasi it's allergy season. Rayhan? It's allergy seasoning. Kapag andito ka sa mga lugar na ganito, may spring, may summer. Spring, usually, you get an allergy. Only spring, right? Allergy.
It's only round. It just gets worse sometimes.
Okay, it's yearly round, he says. But it works in April, like
In
spring.
half a mile, exit the highway at exit 4W.
Round 1, GCPini. Oh, may mga shopping center pala dito. Target, CVS Pharmacy. Okay. Where is Home Depot, hon? Oh, you stay here, right? Yeah. There's CMC. Christmas tree shop.
That's why it's called Fire.
Plus, no one will go there, honey. Ang daming tindahan dito, guys. Models, famous footwear, Old Navy, Bath and Body Works, Kohl's, and Beyond. Look at that. And we are here at Home Depot. Watch out, this guy. Yeah.
Route recalculation.
Hi guys. So ngayon, si Tami lang yung pumasok doon. Parang nasusuka ako sa tawag nito. Naramdaman ko ngayon, parang sukang-suka ako. So yun. Hindi naman siya masakit, pero yung parang talagang feeling ko na pupunta dito. May ganda yung sasakyan dito, uy. Maganda talaga yung jeep, no, na sasakyan. Yung hinahanap lang naman ni Tami is tawag nito, yung hinahanap niya is yung pang lang naman, pang bungkal. Ipakita ko sa inyo kapag meron sila dito. Hopefully makahanap siya. Gusto naming ipahanap yung septic para malinis na, kasi kung hindi siya malinis, guys, kung hindi siya mahigop yung mga mag-flood, ang baho ng paligid, maapektuhan yung kapitbahay, maapektuhan yung lahat ng namin ng tubig, kasi sa ilalim kami kumukuha ng tubig. So yun, may mga binili niya. Ano kaya yung mga binili niya? Sakit yung mata ko sa araw. Ginoo ko. Sakit. Oh, finally. Nakalimutan ko. Kanina pa ako pag ganon-ganon. Kasi sa araw. Sobrang maaraw kasi. So, Tammy's here. So, tignan natin kung ano yung binili niya. So, tignan natin. Liter tea.
What?
Liter tea.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. He's here. Okay. Can you take that off? Okay. Put down the floor. Oh my God, your hand is written.
Yeah, imagine that.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what is that
What's
white
it?
thing? What is that white thing?
Look.
Did you see white thing? On your hand, in your hand.
Yeah, it's the powder from the gloves.
Oh, they put powder in it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Finally, I got a guy over in the garden center. He looked it up.
Oh, you don't get my text?
Well, the text was when I was at the door, so I didn't even
Okay,
read
it's
it.
okay.
Why, what you want?
Strawberry.
I looked for strawberries, I didn't have them.
Okay, thank you for love. We're following this big truck. Okay, that's the one that he really looks he needed. What kind of liter tea? To poke the ground. Han, we cannot really... Han, oh my God, use something else. And this is what I got, guys, for my lime. This one right here. Okay, let's wash our hand, Tommy. Han?
But I'm not using it as a pad. You get the regular one for the regular mopping. This is just what
Hi, baby. Hello, love. I love you. Sweater natin. Punta tayo sa labas. Ang ginaw. Sobrang windy. Lalabas ako para i-transplant yung yung lime natin para mabubuhay siya. Ilagay sa init. Yun. So, ngayon, yung binili ko na palagyan natin ni Tammy ng butas. And, lagyan ng suwil. Ang hangin, grabe. Sobra yung hangin. Grabe yung hangin. Ito yung ginamit namin, guys, oh. Pero, this is what Tammy used. But, iba yung, I like the other one better. This one here. This is what I like.
But the other one is not the same.
This one, I like better. Oh, this is hard. This is dark floor, huh? So, this is what I like.
Yeah.
But this is what Tammy, this is what we use. But this is best. The gold one, quick and easy. Liquid gold. What is this, honey? Oh, for the bathroom, hon?
What?
This is for the bathroom?
Yeah. For the toilet bowls.
Toilet bowls. Right, Rox? Somebody is crazy, right, Rox? Right? Right, Rox? Come, follow me. Follow me. Come here. Follow me. Hi, guys. So, ngayon, guys, let's see. I'm going to make some brownies. Tammy got two different kind. This one is the dark chocolate, his favorite. And the other one is Supreme Triple Chunk. I don't know what does that mean, but chunky. Gagawin natin ito, and instruction is, okay, what you need for this is nandito sa likuran. 1/4 cup water, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. That's it. I told Tommy water, not milk. Okay, so that's what it is. 2 eggs and oil and water. So that's really it. What are you gonna do? I'm going to use this egg, the jumbo egg. Allergy season is attacking. So ngayon, guys, ito yung mixing bowl ko. And ito yung gamitin ko sa pagbe-bake. So, kasi malaki siya, ang minute o 350 degree, and then preheat ko lang yung oven. 350 degree, and then 28 to 30 minutes yung baking time niya. Ilagay natin ito itong next. Ang bango. Siya. Ibatil ko muna yung itlog, guys, para sure na ma-mix siya. So, it doesn't say na, hindi sinabi na anuhin mo yung egg, batilon, pero batilon ko lang siya para, twin egg yolks. Ito yung gusto ni Tammy. Uy, ginoo ko! May camera! Ang dami. Ang dami, guys. Lagay natin dito. Okay, then the egg, guys. Right here. Okay. Thank you. Tinidor lang yung ginamit ko, guys. I'm not using any mixer because you can just do it like this. Look. It's right here. It's very simple, guys, because it's in the box. And I hope we have oven in the Philippines, but the only problem is people like us, simple, poor people, no oven, so you cannot really make it and buy this in the store. So
you make it on a fire.
You can make this in the fire?
Yes.
On top of the fire, like a...
Yeah. Cover it, and you get even heat. Yes. But it's hard to regulate the temperature.
Yeah, that's the problem. You have burned...
Well, you gotta burn the, you can't burn the fire too hot.
Yeah, so ito siya, guys. We have to spray this a little spray lang. Very tiny spray. Spray. That's it. I'm going to change this. This one yung gamitin natin para matilok talaga siya. You know. Okay. Hoopsie. Oh my God! So, itong brownies na to, dahil yung container ko is malaki, so, it will be really thin brownies. So, which is good, because thick is not good. I mean, I don't like thick. Thin brownies. So, pabayaan lang natin siya for 28 to 30 minutes cooking time. And yun, for 28 to 30, they're dry. 30 minutes. So guys, I think this is done because this is really done. So kunin na natin ito sa oven notes and ipahungawits and yaon. One for here. Yan, ganyan, yan lang siya, ganyan. And then, so I guess this is the middle here. Ganitohin lang natin siya. Yan. And pabayaan lang natin siya dyan, guys, hanggang maano siya. Ano, and then anuhin natin yung sa gilid para sure na hindi siya kakapit. Yan. Yan siya. Diba na, bumili ako ng lalagyan ng ano. Itong asawa ko, sabi ko, butasan mo. Sus, binutas. Ang laki ng butas. Ang laki-laki. And he is pissed. Because he did it wrong.
I did it wrong. It said punch, I punched it. It says punch here, and it just all piece cracks. Hobbs, really?
No, he's trying to do this string. Hobbs, come here, Bug. Dada is pissed, Bug. Adoy, my little boy. Dada, yell at you for the first time. Come. I-transfer ko lang to siya, guys.
You have residents close enough. I thought maybe there's some beaches there that are isolated.
Masarap ito, guys, yung crunchy. Nag-try kami ni Tami, ang sarap. Yung sa gilid-gilid, sobrang crunchy, ang sarap.
Well, there's still some around, believe it or not.
It's crunchy, sarap.
No doubt. No doubt. But you gotta remember, they're. I don't know. It depends whether you have bad hearing or bad sense of smell.
I got home from work today, and I got to get a big lawnmower. I can't push this thing around. I'm too old. I'm really getting old.
I hear you. You gotta get that right on.
Hello, guys. So ngayon, guys, nag-boil ako ng tubig. Magbo-boil lang tayo kasi ano ng oras? Almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:50 na ng gabi. Pero look, tignan nyo sa labas. 7:50 ng gabi, pero look. Pa-winter na, pa-summer na, pero yung temperature is sobrang ginaw pa rin, walang pagbabago. But anyway, so yun, nagbo-boil ako ng tubig. And I think I'm going to put salt. Dahil yung asawa ko is may allergy. So, ang gagawin ko is, if I can, so lagyan ko siya ng salt. And then yun na lang yun, ipa-inhale ko sa kanya, guys. Wala kasi akong ano dito, ibang ano, para pang herbal na herbal. Wala talaga akong herbal. So, anyway, so yun siya, guys. And then, ipaano na natin si Tammy para pa-puin. And then, pag ganunin natin siya, ma-steam yung ano man yung ilong niya kasi sobrang allergic talaga. Ganun din namin. Kanina pa yung hatching ng hatching and then maganon-ganon. So, Han, I gain a lot of weight. I know I'm fat but I gain more weight this lockdown thing. Okay, honey. You ready? You sit over here.
Not yet.
When? When are you gonna be ready?
I gotta have a smoke quick.
Huh?
I gotta have a smoke quick.
Hintayin lang natin si Tammy.
Now?
No, I'm just gonna transfer it here because that you can hold it like this, not like this one is hot.
No, normally you just put the pot in the pot hole and put a towel over your head so steam has to get.
You're not gonna touch
I've
this?
been doing that since I was a kid.
I know, but you're not gonna touch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
My mother used to do it with all kinds of things.
It's inside, outside, the garage.
Maybe you put it in the car when I went.
Ang ganda, may cleavage pala ako kapag ganito, may cleavage pala ako, guys. Cleavage, pero hindi niyo nakita. Kaloka na. Hindi niyo nakita naman. So, okay lang yan. Hindi naman nakita. Ay, nako. Flat na flat ang mundo. Sobrang flat ang mundo. Kanina may sakit ako naramdaman. Every time nakakain ako, ang naramdaman ko is yung tiyan ko. Parang sobra yung hangin. Gusto kong mautot. Pero hindi lalabas. And also, every time nakakain ako ng gulay, parang, yung tiyan ko, kumukulo-kulo dito na naman. Katapos lang namin kumain ng dinner. Dito sa gilid, sakit na naman. Oh my God, Hubs. Are you not gonna... Ay, naku, you're so scotch. Be careful, ha? Get your glass off. Close your eyes, ha?
Move that thing closer.
Ha?
Move that closer. Thank you.
Okay. Have to let the intake.
Well, warm up during the day, but overnight, try putting your head under the towel. Keep the steam in.
Oh, yeah, but it's so hot.
Your community future is in your hands. Not just for the next 4 years, but for the next.
You have to blow your nose, huh? All the time when you're done. You cannot just inhale everything like that, no.
Which is how she became familiar with the wedding dress store, Lily Saratoga. Laura Mullen has owned the Saratoga Spring shop for the past 5 years. Their
Wipe your
doors have been
face.
shut during this pandemic.
Wipe it properly.
118 of their brides had to postpone their special day to have
Hi guys. Guys, nanonood kami ng 38 degrees sa labas pero mamaya grabe daw yung mamaya tawag nito. Maging 28 degree daw. Sobrang lamig as in grabe ano ba tong klase kaya yung mga taong nagkasakit na talaga. Iwan ko. So pinasok ko yung mga guys, yung mga tinatanim ko doon na nasa pot para hindi sila mamatay. So anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Pinalabas lang ni Tammy yung dalawa doon. Look. Ang ginaw sa labas, ginoo ko, grabe. Parang wala nang patapos ang winter ito. Nanigarilyo. But anyway, so I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Bye guys!